Hello, this video is going to demonstrate how to upload data into a survey. So if you have a bunch of data in Excel and you want to upload it into NRDS, what you need to do is you need to, number one, identify the survey that you want to upload into. Number two, download a template. Number three, populate that template with data. And number four, upload it into the system. So step one, identify the survey. So I'm going to import information into this reservoir check. Number two, I'm going to download a template. So the way you download a template is you select a few records, sample records, and then you come over here to export, and you export to an Excel spreadsheet or a CSV. The next thing you want to do is open up that spreadsheet and populate it. So you can see here I have a spreadsheet, and it has the exact columns I need to identify. This first one, identifier, you don't know what the identifier is going to be, so you're going to need to leave the column. In previous versions of the upload tool, you needed to remove the column, but people were getting a bit confused by that. So now you need to leave the extra columns. So next thing you want to do, let's populate the date, and it's a bit strict on the format, so 925. This one is 925 as well. And then next we're going to pick a reservoir. So what's important here is that this reservoir column is a drop-down column. So my values need to match the values of that parent field. So for example, I'm going to come back over here to my survey, and I have a bunch of names of reservoirs. They need to match exactly. So I'm going to pick one. I'm going to import one called water tank and another called pond. So I'm going to come back over here and change this to. Now if your values don't match, you're going to have an error, right? Because it can't find the matching value. And then same thing with check by, right? That's coming from my users list. So I'm going to put so you want to populate, you can populate this with as many values as you need. And just going to kind of fill these in the interest of time. Okay, so now I have a Excel spreadsheet, and I'm going to save it. I'm going to come back over to my website and come to my list view. I'm going to select this green up arrow, that's our import, and I'm going to select my file to upload. I can either drag and drop or I can navigate to it. And you can see it shows me the data that's imported. Now I'm going to click Import Surveys, and it's going to give me a confirmation message. And you can see here's my import test, and that I spelled import wrong. So now let's break it just so you can see what happens when you get some different errors. So I'm going to come back over here, and I'm going to get rid of this first column, and I'm going to save it, and I'm going to import. You can see, oh, that actually worked just fine. Interesting. Okay, well, let's try and break it a different way. See, it failed because I'm missing my column, and I have some incorrect values. So let's actually go back over here, and we're going to undo our removing the column, and we're going to just have an incorrect value here. So you can see what happens. I'm going to save, and I'm going to come back over here, and I'm going to re-import. and tells me that it failed to import one item because it's an invalid value, right? It's not found in the list of options. So that's a quick video that shows you how to import data into the NRDS templates and surveys. Thanks for watching.